So I moved a lot of my thoughts over to another channel where I don't say my name or my location. And there's reasons for that. And the reasons are kind of security and also just to break away from my past identity. So anybody who comments over there should not say my name or even my country of location. And I did turn comment approval on both of my channels that you know about. Because I don't really trust anybody to be intelligent or good anymore. And so that's, kind of annoying, difficult thing to have to deal with. And, why do I choose to do that? It's because I have to, I guess. But anyway, there's a link in the description of this video to the new channel that you can go to. And I still do live in fairly difficult conditions out in the forest. And so I have very few donors. They keep me alive. And they kind of barely keep me alive at best. I mean, I've had to do other questionable shit to stay alive. And if you like the views that I have, I don't monetize anything. I haven't sold any information. All the stuff I've read on Quora, all the videos I have make me nothing. I would like to give you all the information and thoughts I have for free. Because I think the thoughts and information I have are important for your survival in a very difficult future that I suspect will be coming at some point. So, if you want to be a donor, if you don't live in a forest, barely surviving, and you have a little extra something to give, then I'm never going to ask anyone individually for anything. I would rather fucking die literally. I will never do it. But if you got it and you like what I give you, if you think I'm entertaining, amusing, or just want to keep me alive a little longer, then go for it and donate. I'll probably put a link to that in this video. So far on the new channel that I linked to, I haven't asked her, there's no way to donate to me there, and those people don't know who I am, and so I really would ask you to respect my privacy. I'm trying to increase my security. I have problems. So please learn about security and please protect me. So don't be stupid. God, that's a lot to ask, I know. And most people aren't donors anyway, so who the fuck am I even talking to? I live in such a beautiful place, and I live in such a beautiful delusion that there could be a better world where we're not all slaves, and our money isn't fake, and our governments aren't all corrupt. That I'm trying as hard as I can, Anyway, please don't hurt me.